Hi guys, I have a Costco haul to share with you today, mixing it up a little bit from my normal Walmart grocery hauls for this week. But I like to go to Costco about every 5 to 6 weeks and stock up on the things that we use a lot of because it's just a better value there to buy it in bulk. So I stuck 100% to my list, which if you're a Costco shopper, you know that can be kind of difficult. They have so many awesome snacks and fun things, but the price adds up when you start throwing in all those extras. So I was really proud of myself sticking to my list, getting the essentials that we use a lot of that are better value than when I buy them at Walmart. So let me share with you everything I got in my Costco haul. So everyone always asks how much the Costco haul is, and this one came out to $224. So I think that's probably the cheapest I've gotten out of Costco in a while, and mainly because I stuck to the list. And we go through all of this stuff, and so buying it in bulk is just such a better value, like I said. Start over here. These chicken strips, oh my gosh, they are really good. We cook them in the air fryer. 21 grams of protein per serving and 3 carbs per serving. Absolutely love these chicken strips. Really, really great quality. You can get them at almost any grocery store. You can get them at Walmart as well. Just they're much cheaper at Costco. A bunch of tuna. I love tuna. I have tuna for lunch a lot. So this is a 12 pack. I always get this one in water, but love tuna. Great high protein lunch for me to have. I got some turkey breast, and this is such good turkey breast. It's kind of like a medium to thick sliced. You can actually freeze one of these if you want, but it is delicious. This is the oven roasted. There is no nitrates, no artificial ingredients, no hormones added. Just a really, really good quality. And so there's 2 20-ounce packs here. We go through a lot of chicken apple sausage, and it is such a better value to get it in these bigger packages at Costco. So chicken apple sausage, I have this with my breakfast every day. I'm kind of a creature of habit when it comes to breakfast. I love the same thing. And my kids love this. We do it for dinner, for a quick dinner for them if they need. They love chicken apple sausage. So 2 of these. A lot of barbecue sauce. This is the barbecue sauce that my husband likes. He does a barbecue chicken sandwich literally every day for his lunch that he takes to work. He is a creature of habit as well, like me with my breakfast. He is with his lunch. So 2 of these big barbecue sauces, and this will last us quite a while. A pack of Kodiak protein waffle mix. My kids really do like a lot of waffles and pancakes, and I just love that this one is a little healthier, 100% whole grains, but it is way more protein than any normal mix. 15 grams of protein per serving. So always have to have this in our pantry. So a big, huge thing of Parmesan cheese. This is just a lot better value than getting the smaller containers at Walmart. My kids, they really like this kind of grated cheese on their spaghetti. And they love spaghetti. So got a big one of these to have for a little while. 2 things of walnuts. My husband does walnuts on his yogurt every day. I like to cook with walnuts. If I'm baking, I like to add them to cookies and whatnot. So 2 packs of walnuts. We go through a lot of protein bars as well. The Kirkland brand protein bars, they're really good. There's a chocolate brownie flavor and then chocolate chip cookie dough flavor. So there is 2 grams of sugar per serving or per bar. And my husband's always reading labels. And so one time we were at Costco and he was just had every protein bar laid out and comparing all of the sugar contents and whatnot. So these are the 2 that we get all the time. This one with 2 grams of sugar, and then this pure protein one. There's 3 different flavors in here. The chocolate peanut butter has 2 grams of sugar. The chocolate deluxe has 3 grams, and the chewy chocolate chip has 3 grams of sugar as well. So these are high protein, low sugar protein bars. We give them to our kids here and there as well, but my husband has one usually every day with a snack when he can't get to a meal because he's busy at work. So he always makes sure he has a protein bar handy just in case. I got this organic almond butter. So I usually get the Kirkland organic peanut butter, but I didn't see it. But I did see this almond butter, so I'm going to give it a try. It looks delicious. I used to do a lot of almond butters, but it's been a couple years, so I'm sure this is going to be wonderful because Kirkland brand, everything is so good. I got a big thing of black pepper. We were totally out and just way better value. $5.99 for this whole thing of pepper, which will last us a long time. Cannot go to Costco without getting rotisserie chicken. I'm going to make a casserole tonight with it, which I'm super excited about. Rotisserie chicken is so good in casseroles. $4.99 for rotisserie chicken. And these Costco rotisserie chickens are so big. They really can feed our whole family with leftovers. So love, cannot go to Costco without getting a rotisserie chicken. I got 2 of these boxes of Belvita. These are the cinnamon brown sugar, and they're like kind of like a little flat biscuit. But one of my kids, Benjamin, he absolutely loves these, and they were on sale. So I thought I better just stock up and have them in the pantry, because they were so cheap. So he will go through these. It'll take a while. There's 30 packs of 4 in each of these boxes, but I like to save money, so definitely had to get 2 of these. And then some sparkling water. My husband and I both love sparkling waters. This LaCroix one is great. It has 4 different flavors in here. So I love it. 0 calories, 0 sweetener, 0 sodium in all of these. So this is a variety pack. So we usually go through a case about every month of this sparkling water. So this is my Costco haul. Everything that is essential to us and everything that I have compared at other grocery stores that is less expensive to buy in bulk. So now we are stocked up for quite a while, and I'll probably go back to Costco another 5 or 6 weeks to get our essentials once again. So I hope you enjoyed this week's haul. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have lots of easy cookie recipes, so make sure you subscribe and check those out. I will see you in my next video. Have a good one.